Okay, this is the process to get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Trust wallet. So I'm here in the Trust wallet now. You'll be needing USDT and BNB. So you go to Trust wallet, you copy. You see the USDT is 0, and the BNB is about 17. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy. I'll click on receive. I'll copy my wallet address. Then I'll head over to my Binance. Let me be sure to copy the wallet address. Okay, I've copied it. It's ending in 130.66. So I'll go to my Binance. Then I head over to wallets. Sorry, I just updated the one in Binance. So then I go to USDT. Then I come to withdraw via crypto network. Then I paste the wallet address. Paste. Then I select the 20. Then I will be needing just 80. So let me just put 81. Because of network fee is 29 cents. So withdraw. You can see it's ending with 136.6. So always note the last 5 digits of your wallet address. So confirm. So this is not my account.
Why check one else?
About me approving.
Approve.
So network error is not correct. Confirm.
Okay. Pampi one bit.
So let me approve it. Okay, sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, the transaction is gone. Then, let me pause this video for like 1 second. So, we can see now that the money is now in our Trust wallet. So, the 80 USDT has arrived. Then, the next thing is to go over to WhatsApp and copy the referral link. So this is the referral link I'll be using. Then you come back to your Trust wallet. You go to the dApps, that's the browser. Then you paste it. Then you click on search. Okay, then you change the network to BNB. Then you click connect. Then you come here. Then you change from Ethereum to BNB. Then the wallet will get connected in. Just wait for like a few minutes. Then you come here. You see market robot token sim mine. You click on mine. Then you ensure the wallet is connected. Let me use reload. Okay, you can see we already have the wallet. Then you click on mine. Then you click on deposits. I'll be depositing $80. So it's going to have to approve our first. So you're going to approve. Then I'm going to change this from 18 to 80 USDT. Then I click on sure. It takes around like 1 second to the route. Then you click confirm. Then you come here and you click on reload. It will take around less than 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then the money will appear. You come back, you click on mine. Still reload the page. Okay, so now the money has appeared. The next thing we need to do is to go to robots. Then these are the robots we have for sale. Currently I don't have any robots, but I have these free robots. I get it on registration. So I come over here. I would not buy these Binance, but because we need to be on the Coinbase bot to be part of the referral, so I click on activate. Then it said robot is turned on successfully. Then I click on show. Then you can see I'm having 2 things on my robots. I need to quantify for me to start getting my daily rewards. So I click on quantify.